I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Meeting the Master on guitar. First, you will want to tune your guitar to drop C hash, which is D flat, a flat, D flat, G flat, B flat, and E flat from the lowest to highest string. This specific tuning is crucial for achieving the song's authentic sound. We will then dive into the iconic intro riff, focusing on precise finger placement and timing. Next, let's explore the core chords that form the backbone of Meeting the Master. You will primarily use D, C6/9, and D6 suspended 2. Focus on transitioning smoothly between these shapes, especially during the verse and chorus sections. Consistent practice will build your muscle memory, allowing you to play the progressions with confidence and a natural flow. Now, let's dive into the signature riffs and techniques that give this song its unique character. You will encounter several hammer-ons and pull-offs, particularly in the main melody lines. Practice incorporating smooth sliding techniques to connect different musical phrases. Also, pay close attention to the rhythmic feel, as many sections feature a distinct triplet pattern that is vital for the groove. Finally, we will tackle the guitar solo and the overall song structure. Breaking the solo into smaller, manageable sections will make it easier to learn. Pay attention to the song's arrangement, including its instrumental breaks and dynamic shifts. Practicing along with the original recording is highly recommended to refine your timing and feel, bringing your performance closer to the master's sound.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.